Traditional software engineering is officially dead. The keyboard cowboys of the past are facing extinction. Stop memorizing syntax right now. The game has entirely changed. We are witnessing the rise of the autonomous AI software engineer. This is not a drill. We are looking at systems that code better than you. They code faster than you. They never sleep. They never take breaks. They do not get tired. They do not complain about legacy codebases. Think about the implications for a second. An AI agent is not just a glorified autocomplete anymore. We have moved far past simple code prediction algorithms. Today, an AI can read an entire GitHub repository in seconds. It can map complex dependencies across thousands of hidden files. It can find obscure bugs that human teams missed for months. And it submits a pull request with the perfect fix. It even runs the test to prove its own code works. Real companies are deploying these agents into production today. This shift is happening at a blistering, unprecedented pace. Silicon Valley is completely restructuring its entire workforce strategy around this. If your only skill is typing code, you are in serious trouble. The future belongs to those who direct the machine. You are listening to NeonSync AI. We cut through the noise to bring you the signal. Buckle up. Let us dive into the mechanics of this revolution. So, how exactly do these artificial programmers actually work? The secret lies in a concept called agentic workflows. Forget everything you know about basic chatbots. A standard chatbot answers questions and waits for you. An agentic system operates with deep autonomy and high agency. You give it a high-level goal, like building a new web application. The agent immediately breaks that goal down into subtasks. It searches the internet for the most updated API documentation. It reads the files in your local workspace to understand the context. Then it writes a back-end database schema perfectly from scratch. Next, it moves on to building the front-end user interface. If it hits an error during compiling, it does not stop. It analyzes the error logs and writes a patch to fix own code. It creates automated tests to verify the deployment is stable. It uses tools like a real developer would use tools. It opens terminal windows and runs command line execution. It reads open source code to find the best architectural pattern. This is an incredible leap forward in machine intelligence capability. We are seeing tools like Devon setting massive new benchmarks for cognition. The entire software development lifecycle is being compressed into mere minutes. What used to take a team of 5 engineers 3 weeks is now done while you drink your morning coffee. The underlying large language models are just the engine block. The agentic framework is the steering wheel and the accelerator pedal. Together, they create an unstoppable force of digital creation. Welcome to the era of zero-cost software production. The paradigm shift we are experiencing is massive and irreversible. We are moving away from manual syntax generation entirely. The last 40 years, coding was about learning a specific language perfectly. You needed to memorize brackets, semicolons, and hyper-specific framework rules. That era is definitively over. Tomorrow's developers are not typists. They are systems and product designers. Value is no longer in writing the code itself. The value is in knowing what to build and why it matters. Artificial intelligence has essentially commoditized basic programming logic. A machine can write a React component in 3 seconds. Your React skills lose their premium status. This means the barrier to entry for building software has collapsed. Anyone with a solid idea and good logic skills can build a startup. You do not need a computer science degree anymore. You just need to know how to prompt effectively and manage an AI team. We are transitioning from imperative programming to declarative programming at scale. You tell the agent what the final outcome should look like. The agent figures out the optimal path to get there. It is like moving from being a bricklayer to being a master architect. The architect does not lay the bricks manually. They draw the blueprints and oversee the construction process. This is the new reality of software engineering. The leverage you get as a single developer today is absolutely mind-blowing. You can do the work of a 50-person team from your laptop. The productivity gains are astronomical and continuously compounding every single month. What is the real-world impact of this brutal technological shift? Let us talk about the stark reality for junior developers. The entry-level coding job, as we know, it is vanishing fast. Companies simply do not need junior coders to write boilerplate code anymore. An AI agent does it instantly for a fraction of a cent. Therefore, the traditional apprenticeship model in tech is completely broken. How do you train seniors if you never hire juniors? The industry has not figured out the answer to this yet. But there is a massive silver lining for those who adapt. If you understand system architecture and product logic, you are a god. You can spin up an entire SaaS product over the weekend alone. You do not need to raise millions in venture capital to hire an engineering team. You just need API keys and a brilliant idea to disrupt an industry. The cost of software creation is plummeting toward absolute zero. This is going to unleash an unprecedented wave of digital innovation globally. All teams of 3 people will build billion-dollar companies, but those 3 people will be highly specialized operators managing swarms of AI agents. It is a terrifying yet incredibly exciting time to be in technology. The old gatekeepers are falling fast. Power is shifting to visionary builders who can orchestrate these new digital tools efficiently. Look at the data and read the room. The transition is not coming next year. The transition is happening right here, right now, on your laptop screen. It is time to make a choice about your tech career. You can ignore this trend and hope it goes away. Or you can adapt and become the master of the machine. Stop treating AI like a novelty text generator. Start treating it like a junior engineering team waiting for your explicit architectural instructions. Start learning how to write prompt structures that yield production-ready code. Shift your focus from writing clean loops to designing rock-solid system architecture. Learn about cloud infrastructure, database design, and API integration. The AI will write the Python scripts. You need to tell it how the entire puzzle fits together seamlessly. This is the only way to future-proof your career in this chaotic new decade. We cover all these shifts right here on this channel. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button right now. It tells the algorithm to bring you more signal and less noise. Subscribe to NeonSync AI and turn on notifications immediately. Do not miss our next deep dive into the tech tools shaping your reality. We are witnessing the greatest transformation in human history. Let us build the future, 1 minute at a time. Stay sharp, stay focused, and keep pushing forward.